Welcome to data validation or in-cell dropdown. This tool works well and really helps when you want to filter data in reporting. You can simply select a category, like in this case, I can select Harare, then get the number of staff for that particular branch Harare in this corresponding cell. It works similar to a combo box in VBA. And here in Excel, you can access it via the data tab. In this case, I would want to apply a drop down, or I would want to simply change my branch here to n of these branches which are in a list, like from Harare to Gweru. Then I can get the population, or the staff member rather, staff number for Gweru. In this case, I can change this query to any other city like Mtare, then get the number of staff for Mtare in the cell. So, how exactly do I do or go about it to do data validation in Excel? The first thing you need to do is to select the range where you want to apply the data validation or to put the drop down. Then you go on the data tab and look for the Excel command called data validation. Then you can get this particular dialog box. On the settings tab, it would say allow. What would you want to allow in this cell B49? I want to allow these city names or branch names from Harare up to Mtare, and they are in a list. You can see there are multiple criteria I can apply or validate in Excel. In this case, I want to validate a list. The moment I select list, you can see it gives me a new field to say where is the source you want to put in a list, and this is the list I want, or the source where I want to put in the drop down. Then you can say the input message here, title. The input message is the message which appears when the user selects this particular cell B49 to see what's supposed to be there. It's like you are informing them what is there. You can give your box a title. In this case, I can give it the title information. Then, of course, the bold of the message which I would want someone to read or get information on. I would say select branch. And lastly, if someone makes an error, I would want them to be notified that they've done something wrong. And my error message is, I can put a style, which is a stop, a warning, or an information. Then I can also give a title to my error message, which I can say error, and the bold of the message, I can say please select the branch from the drop down, like that. Then you can simply hit your OK, and you can see the moment I hit my OK, the drop down appears, and the message box here saying information select branch here. Then now you can simply click on the drop down, and all the branches are now appearing in the list. And if you say select Blawayo, for example, you can get the number of staff rather for Blawayo, which is 14. And if I select another city or branch like Mashingo, I can get 24, which corresponds to the 24 here. And what if I make an error and I want to type something here? There you go. You get this particular error message which says please select the branch from the drop down. Then I can cancel there. Thanks for watching.